Here is how to improve ingrown toenails using acrylics. There are some caveats to doing this. I can't show you all the precautions in the video, so check out the overview section for more details. Let's get started. After shaping and applying pre-primer and primer, place acrylic on the tip of the nail. Let's put it on from one end to the other. Thickness is about the thickness of a credit card. Smooth out the bumps, but be careful not to apply it to the root of nail. After placing the nail, lift the edge of the nail until it hardens. When it completely solidifies, nails lifted, showing evidence of nail biting. Finally, shape it with the file. Finish with the sponge buffer and you are done. Of course, it is possible to put gel on top. Please try it.